Our stop lamps start to turn on when key is out of car and car in parking position. We do not understand why it almost on and start to use our battery to full empty. So we found what is the problem. There is a problem is a stop lamp switch bumper or brake pedal stop pad. It looks now like this. It's completely broken. I do not found in internet how to change it, and I decided to make this video to help people who will have the same problem with brake pedal stop pad. At first we need to unscrew this plastic panel and this element. This element we just take off from the help of the screwdriver, like this chpok, and put it here. And this one is on the 6 screwdrivers. I will show how to unscrew it. 1, 2, 3 screws and 4 screw and 2 of this one. We need to unscrew them too from the port. And after that we can take it out, and we need to disconnect this part. We need to push this button and disconnect 1, 2, and a green one from this one socket. Then we put it aside, and we need to, the pad is here, the connector and the pad. If you push, you can see how we fix it. We just take a piece of plastic, put inside a screw and connect it like this, and now it's working very good and very well. To connect it back is very easy. Push the pedal and put that plastic here and just screw it firmly, and it's all. And now our stop signals are working okay. It's all. We collect all together, and now I will show that everything is working fine. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Now the brake is on, and now it is off. On, off, on, off.
It's working.